Walker sparked a brilliant reaction with his firecracker of a dig at Arsenal fans. The Manchester City captain, 33, led his side to a crucial 2-0 win at Tottenham to put one hand on the Premier League title.
Erling Haaland scored twice at White Hart Lane to put Pep Guardiola's side top of the table going into the final day of the season on Sunday. That was despite Gunners supporters' best attempts to hinder City's preparations ahead of the game.
Videos of Arsenal fans setting off fireworks in the early hours of Tuesday morning went viral, with the rascals believing they were outside the hotel of the City players. And Walker could not resist his cheeky response by confirming City were not even inside.
Read more. Arsenal NEWSCROWD Pleaser fans in Spurs End applaud City goal and do Poznan as Arsenal dreams shattered. Urban win a Land Rover Defender or £75,000 alternative from just 67p with our discount. He did admit he struggled to sleep, but not because of the firework antics in London. Speaking to Sky Sports, the right-back said with a sparkle in his eye, "If I didn't enjoy the pressure, I'd be in the wrong job and definitely the wrong team."
These are the games you want to play in as a footballer. Last night I couldn't sleep. I'm struggling to sleep. Most read in football footy raped footballer, 33, raped woman as she slept before sending explicit pic to pals. Cup setting major broadcaster loses rights to show FA Cup games after huge blow to fans. Final straw. Man United wags face having to fund own FA Cup final trips to cheer on their men. Bang out of order. Arsenal fans fireworks stunt outside Man City hotel massively backfires. Best free bet sign up offers for UK bookmakers and then you're getting to the hotel today. I've heard they have tried to set fireworks off the night before but we weren't there. They've missed us. I'm scrambling to get half an hour in the afternoon just to get my head down.
Arsenal fans set off fireworks outside Man City Hotel at 2 a.m. before Tottenham game, but team was still in Manchester. That prompted plenty of laughs from the Sky panel including Micah Richards. And Arsenal's rivals could not get enough of the comments, either. One said, "Kyle Walker has got the minerals."
He just murdered Arsenal on live TV. What a legend. Another wrote, "Bottled the league and they are here bottling fireworks to Arsenal." A third quipped, "And then the fireworks were extinguished using their own tears."
And a final user simply replied, "He cooked them." Walker's celebrations were clear to see as City secured the victory, which means victory at home to West Ham on Sunday will see the club lift a fourth Premier League title in a row. Read more. Sun stories feeling blue. Congratulations on the Smurf. Viewers say after gender reveal goes wrong. Fruitful. I named my 3-month-old baby after a fruit. People say she'll hate me for it, but in the aftermath following the full-time whistle, TV cameras picked up Walker trying to take his shirt off.
However, the England international hilariously could not get it off easily as he wriggled around before eventually removing it and asking a steward to hand it over to a young female fan in a classy gesture.